Today, let us learn about verb or action word. Our lesson for today is about verb or action word.
Can you clap? Can you smile like this? Can you dance well? Very good. Clap, smile, dance. These are actions. An action word tells what someone or something does. Action words are called verbs. Take a look at this picture. What does the teacher do? Yes, the teacher teaches. What else does the teacher do? The teacher guides. How about the farmer? What does the farmer do? The farmer plants. What else does the farmer do? The farmer digs. How about the telephone? What action words can describe what the telephone does? The telephone rings. Another action word is calls. The telephone receives calls. Now, can you tell us what someone or something does? Yes, the family eats together. Next, ring, dance, walk, hop, read, pray, study, sleep, laugh, play, jump, clap, sing, eat, sit.
You're so cool.
Now, do this activity. Tell us which word you think is the action word. Are you ready? Number 1. The girl dances well. The answer is dances is the action word. Are you correct? Very good. Number 2. The kids play outside. The action word is play. My mother bakes a cake. Bakes is the action word. I always eat my breakfast. Eat is the action word. The dog barks at stranger. The action word is barks. Are you correct?
First rate. Remember kids. One another. First John 3:23.